We just finished doing our budgeting process for our property holding companies for the next year. And when you do that, the team usually has a long list of things that they would like to do on it, like expanding certain sections, pouring hard stand, the list goes on. But how do you decide which projects to tackle and which to leave, which are financially viable? So here is how I think about when projects are financially viable or not. First question is, how much does it cost? All right, let's say this specific project for expanding a unit is 700K. Then we go and say, what can we negotiate extra on income for that unit? So for instance, let's say this tenant says they are willing to pay an extra 9,100 Rand a month, which comes to 110K per year. So we've got 700 in costs, 110 in income. Now, properties are valued at a yield. In this instance, let's say the yield is 11%. So with the yield valuation, there is a multiplier effect that happens where you basically take 110 and you divide it by the 11. That gives you an additional property value of 1 million Rand. So in this instance, we're gaining 1 million Rand in property value and we are spending 700,000. So we are 300 in the green. In that instance, we get the go ahead with this project. If it had cost 1.5 million, it would be non-viable and would get the red light. Sometimes it might not have sufficient profit in doing it, but you value the relationship with the tenant and there's some other considerations. In that instance, you might go ahead with the project even though there's not a substantial profit. So there's some high-level views of how we assess expansion opportunities on whether they're worth it or not.